Hi everybody. Welcome to Ultimate Acres. For those of you that are new and watching, please like and subscribe. Today I have a fairy egg, which is a little tiny egg that one of my chickens laid. This is the fairy egg next to a normal sized egg. Every once in a while, a chicken will lay a fairy egg. Sometimes it's a new laying hen and it's just basically a hiccup in their system. Usually a fairy egg just has the egg white in it, but occasionally you'll have a little piece of yolk in with the egg. So I figured I would crack it open and we would all see what we have. If I can crack, it's so small I don't even know how I can crack it. No yolk, just the white. Just a little tiny egg with just the egg white. And that's a fairy egg. Have a great day.